Hi, I'm excited to talk with Károly from IPercept. Károly, tell us more, what is IPercept doing?
With IPercept, we are redefining the efficiency of complex industrial machines, starting with metal-working production machines. You see, they are the backbone of manufacturing industry in automotive, aerospace, equipment manufacturing, in mining, energy, construction. So we are helping enterprises to eliminate downtime, productivity, and quality losses, ultimately increasing efficiency by 30%.
Oh, that's amazing. But I'm thinking, to land a large customer, that is difficult. Can you tell us more about your customers?
Absolutely. We are really proud to be trusted by over 24 large enterprise customers, now being present in 10 countries and more than 40 different factories. So our customers are ranging from enterprises like Scania, Volvo, Airbus, Bosch, or Toyota.
Oh, but that's amazing. What's the secret sauce about landing so large deals?
So it's really important that we have a history being born in the Swedish industrial innovation ecosystem, starting with long years of research from the Royal Institute of Technology, KTH. And during those years, we had the opportunity to interact with these large enterprises. So when we started the commercialization a couple of years ago, then we already had a product which matched their needs so that we could be the simplest, the most scalable, and the most actionable solution in the market.
Was it easy or difficult to reach the right or target the right person at the corporate?
We had a really strong idea coming from the research years, starting really focusing on the maintenance and production teams. And since we started commercialization, we started with the deep understanding that the real unsung heroes are the people working around machines. So we specifically built our solution to help them.
Can you tell us just a little bit more about any pilot you started with, if you can and are allowed to?
Absolutely, and we are extremely proud that we have never been purged in the pilot purgatory. So every single time, we are not calling that proof of concept. It's a technical evaluation, ended with succeeding, being able to proceed, upsell more machines per factory or more factories within the same customer. And this really comes back to that long years of research what we have done based on a strong industrial need, the non-trivial solution.
So looks like the future is bright. What is your next step?
So we have the strong ambition to become a global category leader. So if today you have metalworking machines, you really want to get in touch with us. We are becoming the go-to solution and the industrial standard in this space. More than that, we are now heavily leveraging on LLMs, turning our company into an AI company. Historically, we have been providing the most granular insights and facts regarding metalworking machines, and now we are becoming a source of quality-assured knowledge.
That's amazing. So, best of luck. Crossing my fingers that you will reach that global scale, and thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here.